Hello and welcome to another video. Long time no see, but let me tell you something. A mini-series of my project car restoration is coming up soon. Without further ado, let's get going. Are you experiencing the trunk lid falling onto your head once opened? It simply won't stay open as it should. Well, then this video is the right one to watch. The reason for your issue is an old leaked out tailgate strut, also known as trunk lid struts. Among other symptoms is a falling down squeaky sounding trunk lid. It is important to solve the issue right away before you get a concussion or broken fingers. Especially if you have kids, a falling down trunk lid could be a life threat. The principle is easy. The strut is mounted onto two ball joints and fastened in place by two retaining clips. In both cases, when taking the struts off and before mounting the new ones, the retaining clips are pried off and slid out of the lock position. Only tools you need is a flat screwdriver and something to support the trunk lid.
Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong.
The struts came pre-greased at the ball joint contact sites. When done with installation, check everything twice. Make sure the clips are slid in lock. Moment of truth. No more trunk lid falling down on your head. Groceries can be safely done again.